In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and edit the logo element in your document. So I've created a new document. This is a landscape certificate. And then I'm going to add an element and then select logo. And it'll drop this logo box onto my canvas. You can change the label of it just like everything else. You can also modify the exact position of it with these sliders. And I'm going to make this one 3 inches by 3 inches. And this box just determines the placement of your logo. Your actual logo will be drawn from your school's profile, and it'll be the logo that you see when you're logged into your school here. You can also add a border to your logo by clicking the logo option and changing the border and the color. I'm not going to put a border on this logo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make kind of a large watermark logo for this certificate. So I'm going to make this one kind of big. And then I'm going to reduce the opacity of this logo so it's going to be semi-transparent. Now when I've decided on the placement and arrangement of my logo, what I'm going to do is hit save. And then when I hit save, it's going to update my document and actually put my logo into my document. So you see the logo here, this AcadeMap Elementary logo is in my document now. The gray box, again, just shows the full size of the logo. This logo has semi-transparent. So if I go to full opacity, you'll see that the gray lines are still behind the logo. That won't actually appear in my document. That's just there to show you the size of the logo itself. So I'm going to kind of bring this opacity back down. This is sort of like a watermark that I'm putting onto my document. And I'm going to hit save one more time. And then I'm going to close, and you'll see that this will appear in the preview in your list of available documents. So here you can see the logo is now visible on this certificate.